Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines. Today, November 25th, 2024. Andre Wareham, the man charged with 2 counts of murder and 1 count of attempted murder in the stabbing of 3 people on Montreal Street in September 2024, made a brief court appearance to hear an additional 9 names of people he is forbidden to contact. No contact orders are typically issued under specific circumstances, including witness protection or to protect a victim from threats. This comes after 25 individual names were added to the no contact order last month and read aloud for Wareham. Queen's University's Nixon Field will be the first of any post-secondary institution in North America to install carbon-sequestering field turf as part of its revitalization project. The existing turf is being removed this week, with turf replacement being completed in the spring. With partners Field Turf and local company Canadian Wollastonite, the project will use enhanced rock weathering as a base beneath the new turf. Youth from 19 school and community groups from across the Greater Frontenac Archbiosphere region, from Kingston to Prescott, gathered at the central branch of the Kingston Frontenac Public Library to learn and collaborate on topics related to climate action. 85 students attended the 4th Annual Youth Climate Action Summit on Tuesday, November 12th. Discovery Den, an initiative by UHKF, has awarded $40,000 to an innovative project that aims to see heart patients receive care in the comfort of their own home. The inaugural event took place on Wednesday, November 13th, and saw 3 groups of healthcare professionals pitch their ideas to a panel of 5 judges and a live audience at the University Club. Kingston Police published its Queen's Homecoming 2024 report before the Thursday, November 21st meeting of the Kingston Police Services Board. However, due to a packed agenda, the report was pushed to next month. Still, it was easy to see that Chief of Police Scott Fraser was impressed, seeing as the operations were more than $100,000 under budget. Jason J. Jolly, Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of Branded to Film, or B2F, said their Kingston-based production company has been actively building a local workforce to support local TV and film projects. B2F is making plans to build a 62,000 square foot studio and 10 acres of land that it said is already secured at the St. Lawrence Business Park. As part of the new business considered at the Kingston Police Services Board meeting, Mayor Brian Patterson spoke about a new city-police partnership, a campaign to encourage crime reporting, which he intends to bring to City Council. This led to a conversation about why citizens often do not report crimes. Contributing factors discussed were victim fatigue and a lack of confidence in the police's willingness to help. For more on this story and other local news, visit kingstonist.com and subscribe. Use my code SarahB2024 for 10% off.